I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the document in WPS Writer and saving a copy so you can revert if needed. Then turn on Show/Hide Paragraph to reveal hidden paragraph marks, manual page breaks, and section breaks. This shows why a page appears blank. Next, open the navigation pane and click Pages to jump directly to the blank thumbnail. This ensures you are editing the exact spot. Once you can see the markers, you are ready to remove the elements, creating the blank page. Now delete the visible paragraph marks or manual page breaks by placing the cursor before them and pressing Delete, or select and cut them. If a section break forces a blank page, change it to a continuous section via page layout breaks, or delete carefully and then fix affected headers. Also inspect header/footer content and top/bottom margins. Sometimes an oversized footer or extra spacing pushes a blank page. Make sure to update view and recheck the navigation. Finish by using Print Preview and the navigation pane to confirm the blank page is gone. This reflects both on-screen and printed layout. If stubborn blank pages remain, use Replace with paragraph patterns or manually remove multiple paragraph marks. Be cautious around tables. WPS adds a trailing paragraph after a table that can force a page. If editing corrupts layout, copy the document body into a new WPS file. Paste without formatting where possible, and reapply styles. This often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.